April Fools.
Am I in Minecraft? How did I even get here? Might as well just try to survive. Alright, so if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure I have to start survival by punching a tree. Ah! Is there any other way I can break this tree?
One eternity later.
Yes, finally! Alright, now I just need to get the rest of the wood. Why are you floating? Come on, fall down! It's been a while since I've posted an animation. I should probably start working on that. I have no idea what to make. Yeah, I've got nothing.
3 days later.
I still can't think of anything. Wait, what if I check my comment section? My fans usually have some good ideas. Ah! Okay, I'll post a project. Alright, what should I make? Alright, you know what? Just a square. I'm just gonna do only just a square, then share it. Alright, there you go. Alright, now let's see if everyone likes it. Aww.